Hey guys, this is a SIM unlock PIN tutorial, and today I'll show you how to unlock your phone that's locked to a carrier and asking for a SIM network unlock code. Alright, let's get straight to it. Step 1. Find your IMEI number. You'll need the IMEI to generate your unlock code. Simply open your dialer and type *#06 hash. Your IMEI number will appear right on the screen. Write it down. Step 2. Go to the unlocking website. Now you can put your locked phone aside. Grab another device and open your browser. Head over to simunlockpin.com. Once you're there, enter your IMEI number and tap Next. Then select your phone's operating system. In my case, it's Android, so I'll choose Android. Now click Unlock. This process usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes, so hang tight. Step 3. Verify the unlock. And after a few minutes, you'll be asked to verify by installing an app. Don't skip this. It's required so the website can keep the service free for everyone. Pick any app from the list and follow the instructions given in the app description. Install the app, open it, and complete the setup. Once that's done, you'll receive a virtual message with your SIM network unlock code. Step 4. Enter the unlock code. Now, go back to your locked phone. Type in the unlock code you just received and press unlock. And that's it. Your phone is now completely unlocked and ready to use with any SIM card. To double check, open your mobile network settings. You'll see your SIM is active and connected. And that's all for today's video.